Guys, Bitcoin got rejected right off of my edge of the orange box right here. Red UC candle yesterday. Guys, today I need to talk about what's next for Bitcoin. The key things you need to understand right now for the market. You're seeing big news come out about Binance. You're seeing a massive shift in the traditional markets. Guys, make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end. I will explain everything you need to know. Welcome back everybody, my name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new around here, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. Okay, let's get straight into it, guys. So, it was almost like I jinxed everything yesterday. Remember when we were right here and I said, hey, I got a feeling that we are gonna see a big UC red candle from the edge of the orange box yesterday, and this is actually what happened yesterday. So, big UC red candle, this actually went down by 3.15% here on this 4-hourly candle. Now there's a couple of things to pay attention to right here, and I will update you about the bots here in a little bit. But one thing is the key level of resistance right here. So we are actually approaching this key level of support, of course, down here at around 27,741. So this is the first thing we need to pay attention to right now. We do have this support. Is this going to hold or not? This is something that time will tell us. Now, one also major thing to understand here is that we have had a pretty big drop already in this short space of time from this point. So we will see if this is going to act, if we come down here, if this is going to act as support or not, and where to take it from that point. But if we go to the hourly time frame, we're actually forming a little bit of a triangle like this and this. So we already broke down from it, unless you want to do, from the bodies of the candles like this, doing something like a downward sloping triangle, descending. And this would actually, in this instance, be pretty bearish because it is right below the massive resistance that's 30K. Also, it's a continuation from a little bit of a downtrend right here on the hourly time frame. However, just like I said previously, you do have this support level down here, which we've been supported at multiple times previously on the bodies of the candles on the 4-hourly time frame. So these are the things I'm looking out for in the immediate short term. And of course, when it comes to the bots, guys, just like I always say, the bots do not like straight red candles like this, which you saw in this 4-hourly candle right here. So this is not optimal conditions for the bots. This is why I was worried yesterday when I had the feeling that we were going to see a dump from the edge of the orange box here. And some people have been asking me, like, if you were expecting Bitcoin to go down, just like and this is actually something I reiterated on Twitter right here, the simple thing is to stay away from the orange box. You can either be flat or actually put in a short at the edge of the orange box here, but I would not go long here. So I reiterated this yesterday on Twitter, and some people have been asking me, like, if you're expecting Bitcoin to go down, why don't you just close the bots right here, wait for the drop down, and then open up the bot again? And this is something you could do. This is something you can definitely do if you're using the bot yourself. But for me, what I wanted to show you with these bots is if it is possible to just have these bots running and over time have them make profit. This is what I want to see over time. So we're still just a couple of days into using this bot, or all of these bots. So far so good, but I wanted to show you, like, over time if it's possible. But if you are trading for yourself, this is definitely something you can consider. Also, when you have big resistance, you can close the bot and then you can re-enter. The problem for me is that I would lose all of this progress, and then I would have to go to the history every time I want to show you the performance here, and it doesn't get, like, it's not easy to see all of the profits here over time when you have a lot of positions going if I close and open the bots. But at the end of the day, it also has to do with what you want to see on the channel. We could try to optimize it that way. Whenever we hit my, like, massive resistances, I could show you on the channel, like, okay, I'm taking the profits out of these bots right now, and I will look to enter into a lower price with the bots and try to, actively manage those. But let me know what you think down in the comment section. Do you want me to trade that way, or would you rather me just have them open and see if over time they will be able to greatly outperform Bitcoin and also make profit? Because over time, as you know, I do believe Bitcoin is going to go up. And I'm trying to buy every single dip here. at key points when we're going down. So I understand that if we see a big red candle, just like I always warn you about, this is not good for the bots. You are going to make a loss with the bots if you see the price go down. But it's all about trying to catch the bounces, try to make profits on the bounces, but you are leaning bullish when you use these bots. If you do not think that Bitcoin over time is going to go up, then you should either use a short bot or just be in US dollar or whatever. These bots are biased towards the upside. They are reliant on Bitcoin price going up over time. So this is how it works. But hey, let me know down in the comment section. Do you want me to try to actively close and open the bots to try to maximize the profits? Or would you rather me just have them open and see how it goes over time? Let me know down in the comment section. Traditional markets have actually been going down significantly here also. You can see from the point at the top here, we've gone down so far, down to almost 2%. Right now, we are down 1.36%. So this is something to monitor as well. We do have a key level of resistance and support right here. We're breaking above it right now on the 4-hourly time frame. So let's see if this candle can actually close above this level. That would be good for the traditional markets, leading into a better possibility for Bitcoin to also start to potentially test this level again. Apart from that, my long-term trades, when will I go into a new long position? As I've always been saying, at the bold orange line at 26,430 or at the massive orange box at 24,377. And if we see a pump here, if we cannot go down to these lower levels, then I will go long once we are safely above 30K here. So this is my strategy. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm anticipating. I will keep you updated as always, also with the bots, of course. Now, we did see some bad news come out, and that is that the Binance Australia derivatives license has been cancelled in Australia. So this actually meant, and this I think also had an effect on Bitcoin, how you can see that insiders probably already knew about this. Insiders starting selling off Bitcoin right here at the edge of the orange box after struggling with it for so many candles right here. Look at the hourly candles struggling with the edge of the orange box here. Absolutely insane. Came down, tried to find support right here, found a little bounce. And now it looks like we're having continuation consolidation. So we will see where this goes. Also, by the way, some guys have been asking me like, can't you just use a hedge short? Like when you're using the bots, which is of course tilted towards the upside, it is relying on the Bitcoin price going up over time. But when you are at massive resistances, how about just throwing in a hedge short? So having a little bit of a short just in case we go down. And this is also, of course, something you can do, but I don't really like talking too much about shorting on the channel, although it is very effective if you do it efficiently. Once I have my full course and full tutorials out there on my trading platform, which is being developed right now, I will be more active in sharing my short positions. But hey, you can just look at the videos. When I say like, oh, I think we're gonna go down from this point, and like on Twitter as well, then that is the truth, that I think that the price is gonna go down. But I mean, shorting is also very risky, so I don't want to promote it too much unless I have a very clear tutorial about the risks and everything involved about it. So you can look forward to that. Apart from that, you have the people banks of China are buying gold aggressively for the first time since December of 2018. So this is actually very interesting. People are buying, or countries are buying gold like crazy right now. Also, we have a bill in the United States to peg the US dollar to the gold standard again. So this will be very interesting. I mean, if something like this goes through, it completely changes the dynamics in the markets, of course. So we will see about this, guys. But one thing is for certain, something needs to happen with the dollar. So we will see if this is going to be something that could potentially happen, although it seems unlikely right now. But things change very quickly in the financial markets, guys. So we will see. I will keep you updated. And also one thing that I am a bit worried about is that in the next meeting, the markets are pricing in either 60% are pricing in no rate hike at all, and 40% are pricing in that we could see one rate hike. However, if you look at the meetings coming after that, the markets are basically pricing in that we're going to stay at these levels we're at right now, or actually start cutting rates when you look at like September, so during the later parts of this summer. So the markets are pricing in that we're going to start seeing the Fed cut rates again. Of course, if we do not see the Fed start cutting rates, that is going to be problematic because this is what the markets are expecting. So this is still like a couple of months left, but as always, I will keep you updated. So yeah, this is something to definitely be on the watch out for, what the market believes and what we believe is going to happen, and seeing that discrepancy, trying to make profits based off of that. So all in all, guys, just like I said, if you believe that we're gonna fail this this support level right here, and that we're gonna see Bitcoin break down from this level, this is something especially for the bot traders to take note of, because then, you know, the bots will not do a very good job if we see a massive breakdown from this level. But what we want to see for the bot is for us to consolidate in this range for a little while longer, which is still my go-to case. So this is what we will see, guys. We will see if it's going to happen or not. Nothing in this video, as usual, is financial advice, but we will see what's going to happen. Guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.